Want to make money creating videos without ever filming or editing? Let me show you how. Creators are now making full YouTube videos, TikToks, and client projects without filming anything. No camera, no lights, no microphone. Nothing. Today, I'm going to give you the exact workflow they're using so you can start earning with AI-generated videos, even if you've never edited before. But first, why is AI video creation exploding? AI video creation removes every barrier that stops beginners. You don't have to film yourself, you don't need an expensive setup, and you don't need to be a great writer or editor. AI tools now handle the script, the voiceover, the visuals, and the editing. This means creators can make content 10 times faster, and you can start earning way sooner. So how do people actually make money with AI videos? Let's talk about the 3 biggest paths. The first is faceless YouTube channels. These include motivational, quote, how-to, tutorials, productivity, and tech explainer channels, all created with AI. The second path is selling short-form videos to clients. Businesses need Reels, TikTok ads, real estate videos, product explainers, and educational clips. AI lets you deliver these in under an hour. And the third path is creating templates and video bundles that you can sell on Etsy, Gumroad, and Fiverr. Think Canva Reel templates, short-form video packs, and pre-built explainer videos. You make them once, and they sell over and over again. Now let's walk through the exact workflow for creating these videos without filming a thing. Step 1 is your script. Open ChatGPT and tell it exactly what you need. For example, write a 30 to 60 second script with a hook, 3 value points, and a call to action. It gives you a clean script instantly. Step 2 is your voiceover. Go to ElevenLabs or Play HT and choose a natural-sounding AI voice. Adjust the pacing, pick the tone you want, and download the MP3. Step 3 is your video creation. This is where tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Runway come in. Upload your script or your voiceover. Choose visual styles like stock footage, B-roll, animations, or even AI avatars. The tool automatically syncs your visuals with your audio and builds the full video for you. Step 4 is branding. Drop your video into Canva, add your text overlays, add your brand colors, place your logo, and export it in whatever format you want, vertical or horizontal. And step 5 is monetization. You can upload these to a faceless YouTube channel, sell videos to clients, sell pre-made templates, or offer monthly content packages to businesses. Now let's look at the earning potential. Here are real numbers people are earning with this right now. $25 to $75 per TikTok video, $150 to $300 for a YouTube explainer, and some creators charge $500 to $1,000 a month for content packages. So how do you get started? It's simple. Pick one niche, create 3 sample videos using the workflow I just gave you, and post them as gigs on Fiverr or Upwork, or put them on your YouTube channel. Then batch the workflow weekly and keep improving your style. The more you do it, the faster and easier it gets. If you want an AI side hustle that doesn't require filming, editing, or showing your face, this is one of the best places to start. And if you want the prompts, scripts, workflows, and tools from this video, they're all inside the free AI Money Starter Kit. The link is below. Make sure you subscribe for daily AI income tutorials. Let's build something today.